Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your backup on WhatsApp or your WhatsApp backup on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my Google Drive account, and currently I do not have a backup on this account. However, I am backing it up right now, so it might show up in the middle of this tutorial. However, it most likely won't. But without further ado, what you need to do is very simple. You just need to locate it in the options for managing apps, and what you need to do is go to the top right, right over here into settings, and then click settings, then go to manage apps, and just locate WhatsApp. As you can see, WhatsApp is currently not here, but if the update happened, all you have to do is then locate WhatsApp. For example, use Google Collab and click options, and you can view the product page, and in case of WhatsApp, you'll be able to view the backup. As you can see, WhatsApp is here, and you can disconnect it from the drive if you want, but the backup will be viewable once it's done, and you can also disconnect from drive streak as well, as you can see. But yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.